So today I'm going to make strawberry bars, and I did already. So as you can see down the bottom, there's instructions and the ingredients. So yeah, bye. So, hi, my name is Zoe Bird, and today I'm doing a YouTube channel. So yeah, and I'm making
strawberry bars.
Strawberry bars.
Okay, put it in the oven and we'll check on it when it's ready. Okay,
Yeah.
there.
So it's over past 18 minutes. It's time to get it out right there.
To the cooling rack.
Yeah. So we have to stop at the edge over here.
There. Okay, so
Let me
take
go
up.
check if it's in. It's coming almost in.
Okay, but you gotta take out the spatula. Just remove the spatula. Okay, so now we wait 5 minutes and we come back.
So right now I'm going to cut
The strawberry bars into 4 pieces.
Yeah.
That's not 4, but okay. Oh wow, you weren't supposed to do that, but okay. Alright, try to put it into the plate.
Okay.
No. With the little spatula, baby.
Okay.
Take it up with the spatula. That side, look, that's a spatula.
This side?
Yeah. Scoop it. Like that.
It's melting, it's melting.
Okay, put it on the plate. It's okay. I mean, it's your first time, so it looks okay.
Oh. Well, this one's perfect, right?
Mm-hmm. They don't have to be perfect.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. How do they taste?
Good.
Yeah. Okay. So what are you gonna tell the people to subscribe to your cooking channel? If they're gonna see more recipes now with your ultimate bake easy oven or whatever it's called. Okay.
Subscribe to the channel and give a thumbs up or thumbs down.
All right. Till next time.
Bye.